I'm in front of the Fort Stanwix Monument Willette Visitor Center. If you've never been in there, go in there. Believe me, your kids will love it. You'll love it. You learn a lot of history about the Mohawk Valley. I mean, how long have you been living in Rome, New York or Oneida County, but you know nothing about the county? Come and visit the Willette Center at Fort Stanwix National Monument. But look at the size of that cloud out there. I don't know if you can really get a good glimpse of it with the GoPro, but wow, is that cloud huge. And I love clouds. There's definitely a lot of power in that cloud. And I don't know if you can notice it on the camera watching it, but the top of it is actually still growing upwards. That is massive. I don't think there's any thunderstorms in it yet, but I wouldn't want to be over that under it when there is. That's a lot of power right there. I've been watching it for a few minutes to see if there is lightning, but I haven't noticed any. But that's just a massive cloud. Again, that's to the northeast of Rome, probably over to the Tug Hill region, out towards Westernville. But that is just massive. And you got Fort Stanwix in the foreground. Who doesn't like clouds? I love clouds. Clouds can tell you a lot about the weather without even watching the weather. That is one massive cloud. Got like a nice layer under it, but you got like an anvil on top of it, which means it's got a lot of power inside that cloud. So if it cools down a little tonight, I imagine that's going to really develop. Right now it's just too hot and humid for anything. But what I have noticed is that section right out in there is growing outwards. It's going southward.